out of Anushka Sharma for doing NH10. Few years back, people would have disowned the film. I mean, they would have said, yeah, why do you want to show this aspect of India? We should hide it from the world. We should not speak about it. Today, people are applauding them for making a film that is real. It is very, very real. And time pass करने के लिए और AC खाने के लिए आप लोगों ने थिएटर में जाना बंद कर दिया है. The time for average is going away. I'm sure he also do a 100 crore film. I'm sure she also do a 100 crore film. But that 100 crore has no value unless you get the kind of love Dum Laga Ke Aisha has got. So I think the audience love is what we need to work towards more than just numbers, because numbers come and go. But that love is what will take us forward and make us take more chances. Thank you, Ritu.
Badlapur, then Dum Laga Ke Aisha, NH10 and now Hunter. I've liked all the films and they're doing pretty well. There was no congruent area in between. They were not stepping into each other's shoes. The genres were completely different. And again, as Arjun said, the audiences have matured a lot and it's really helped. Timing and the maturity of the audience, and of course, top everything is the content.
For me, the biggest challenge was not the weight. For me, my biggest challenge was how do I turn the Bombay girl in me, how do I turn Bhumi into Sandhya? Okay, because I'm from Bombay, I've lived here, I haven't been to Rishikesh or Haridwar many times. That was a challenge for me, and I feel definitely any actor would do it because today people want to do exciting work.
Weight was part of the character of the film, I think. But she had to be vulnerable and cute at the same time, and a newcomer could have, given a lot to the table. And Bhumi did a spectacular job with that.
But what's really good is when you see a Deepika Padukone or Arjun do Fine and Fine.
Right.
Like, we have these commercial stars, these success stories that also want to sort of push boundaries and do interesting cinema. Rani Mukherjee in Mardani.
True.
Amir Khan has always done it. So I just feel the scripts have been there. Today our audience is more ready to watch those films.
I have no qualms in doing Gunde and Finding Fanny in the same year. I in fact said no to a lot of commercial viable films to do a Finding Fanny because it excited me as an actor. It got me nervous at the pit of my stomach. Where can I do this? I didn't believe I could. And where Gunde was concerned, it is something I've grown up consuming. And I always believe that when you do it with that passion and excitement, something translates. Gunde also, I feel, could have been a lot more than what it became eventually. But the love it got from a certain section of audience that didn't know me.
Everybody is getting a chance. It's more democratic. In yesteryears, struggling actors used to stand outside studios. All the studios were like fortresses. Now, the casting has become so streamlined. They're casting directors. You're talented, go there, audition, you'll get the part. So I think this is the golden era of Indian cinema. It's operating beyond nepotism. It's open to all. I think the talent will survive for sure this time around.
As an audience, I want to see what the director has made. I want to see what the writer has made. And I feel only the writer, the director or the producer should have the right to change their film in any way they want. Because as an audience, it's not fair for me. Like, if I want to see certain type of films or I want to see certain scenes or whatever I want to see, it's my choice. I'm paying that money to go watch that film.
आज के दौर में या पहले के दौर में जितनी फिल्में बनाई जाती थी, उसमें हर एक चरित्र, हर एक किरदार का जो रोल होता था, वो बहुत अच्छा लिखा हुआ होता था. एक वेल स्केच्ड कैरेक्टर स्केच हर एक का अच्छा होता है. चाहे वो हम आपके कौन है, उसमें सारे कैरेक्टर्स नजर आते हैं आपको. DDLJ हैं, चाहे इशकजादे हैं, विकी डोनर है, दम लगा के आयशा है. तो उसमें एक परिवार नजर आता है, एक एंसेम्बल कास्ट अच्छी नजर आती है. उससे आपको जो मिलियू है, जो एटमॉस्फेयर है उस जगह का, वो अच्छी तरह से समझ आता है. क्योंकि हर एक शहर का भी एक चरित्र होता है फिल्म के अंदर. इसको बोलो कि क्लाइमैक्स के टाइम पे वेट लूज कर लेते, उठाना आसान हो जाता है मेरे लिए.
पूरी देश की आवाम मेरा ह्यूमर नहीं समझती. If a Nawaz has agreed to do a kick, there is a section of an audience saying there might be something more than just a generic commercial film. Let's see what is there. So that might be 5% today. It might become 10% in 5 years because of those choices.
What I was taught in acting school is that कोई भी part बड़ा या छोटा नहीं होता, actor बड़ा या छोटा होता है. So that's important.
Thank you very much. Thank you to our 4 very noble speakers.